So, iy'ndawo ze-grooves empty manje. Abantu abathengisa amashisanyama for iy'dakwa ebusuku are not getting business manje. And I thought South Africans drank from Monday to Monday. So who was packed up in all of those spaces? Like I get triggered every single time I come onto this app because iningi propaganda epushwayo and people are falling for it. Nicijisa amakhanda niyilandela umkhumbi wepropaganda nibe niyibona into eyamanga ukuthi iyamanga. So if South Africans were always working, abantu bangaphandle bengabathatheli umsebenzi, mangabe sekukhishiwe abantu bangaphandle yindaba iy'ndawo zokuphuzela sezi-empty manje. Obani labade bephuza laphayana, obani bebethenga amashisanyama emgwaqweni. Iqiniso asilikhulume guys, silibeke obala silikhulume nje silidingide, because mangabe kuwukuthi South Africans bebelokho besebenza all along, those places wouldn't be empty. Mangabe kuwukuthi South Africans were drinking Monday to Monday, those places wouldn't be empty. So we are getting amaqiniso awu-two at the same time. Ukuthi one, South Africans don't drink Monday to Monday. Two, South Africans actually didn't have jobs. Because if they did, ngabe banayo imali yokuthi bayahamba bayothenga amashisanyama bahambe bayogcwala ey'ndaweni zokuphuza. Yazi, this thing ingenze ngalokhuza ngaba triggered so much because every single time we talk about the informal economy yase South Africa kuthiwa ama-crumbs lawo. Every single time sikhuluma ngokuthi i-informal economy yase South Africa is saturated by abantu bangaphandle, kuthiwa sikhuluma udoti and we are lacking in ubuntu ngenxa yokuthi asifuni ukuthi abanye abantu bakwazi ukuthi bazothola impilo. Bayithole kanjani impilo ezweni where people are dying from hunger bengenayo bona impilo? Those are the questions that are most important to me, and I would really appreciate answers from abantu ekuyibona abahlezi besifundekela ngento yokuthi thina sileka ubuntu ngenxa yokuthi siqosha izisebenzi zabo. La ilokhuzana bathi i-informal economy yase South Africa is responsible for a contribution between 20 to 24% of the South African GDP. In South African GDP iyenza u-8.5 to 9 trillion ngonyaka, right? Uma ngabe sesibheka u-20% walowo lokhuzana walowo 9 trillion ngonyaka is about 1.7 trillion, which means lama-crumbs enikhuluma ngawo yigidi ngeyigidi zeyimali abantu ekufanele ngabe baphila ngazo. Which means ukuthi lo 24% ekhulunywa ngayo 2.1 trillion akuwona lama-crumbs enikhuluma ngawo. You just want to convince abantu ukuthi lento that they are aspiring for, ukuthi bahambe bayovulishisanyama ekhoneni ukuthi bakwazi badayisa otamatisi nama-fruits, yinto engekho ngenxa yokuthi wena you don't understand it. But if their contribution is 2.1 trillion, then those are not crumbs. Mingakhi imndeni edlayo? Uma ngabe sesisuka lapho sibuka izimali eziphumayo eSouth Africa ziya koMalawi, ziya koZim, ziya koNigeria, ziya kolokhuzana koCongo, siyabona ukuthi ingakanani imali ekufanele ngabe iparticipate in the South African economy egcina iphuma ihamba iyokhulisa ama-economies amanye amazwe. Uma ngabe kubhekwa imali ephuma kwezinye izizwe ingena eNigeria, iNigeria imiswe iy'mali eziphuma ngaphandle. No Zimbabwe ilokhuzana no Malawi ama-economies abo ayakwazi ukuthi athi ukuba nesithunzi ngenxa yey'mali ezigenerate in other countries' economies, kodwa endapha zinga-participate or zinga-circulate in those countries' economies ngoba ziyakhishwa ziyiswe kwamanye amazwe. So umonakalo uyenzeka mkhulu and uhulumeni wethu is not doing anything, and abantu abafana nathi who are shedding a light in these issues yithina esikwazi ukuthi sigcina sesikwazi ukushare le information ukuthi abantu babe informed ngezinto ezenzakalayo. And when people say the informal sector ama-crumbs, basho ukuthini when we have ama-economies like our China, our Italy, our Germany who rely on the informal sector more than they do the formal sector? Sishukuthini? Are we saying ukuthi we're aspiring to be like China kodwa futhi we're not going to now respect indlela uChina yenza ngayo izinto by prioritizing abantu base-China? Because China creates some opportunities for Chinese people. China grows some industries by Chinese people. China uma yithi ayufuni McDonald's, ayufuni KFC, or izo restrict the number of ama-franchise angenayo in their country because they want to prioritize their own people, yingenxa yokuthi China understands, Russia understands ukuthi i-economy yabo imiswe yilabantu laba ba-generate ama-crumbs for the economy. nina nifundele ubala. Yabona, if for being honest, nifundele ubala. Ziningi kabi izinto kufanele ngabe sike siyifakele izibuko, sipay attention to zona, sibone ukuthi yizini izinto ekuyizona ngempela ezicontributayo kuma livelihood wemindeni. When you are saying ukuthi people should go hungry because when you want to hold on to isisebenzi sakho saseMalawi, that is highly problematic. Because lo mali kufanele ngabe uyiholela oyiholela lo muntu waseMalawi kufanele ngabe uyiholela umuntu wase South Africa kwazi ukuthi afake ingane yakhe esikoleni. But then you are the same people who are going to come back and say ukuthi yeah, you are not educated enough, you are not skilled enough, you don't have the experience. Kuyini enincincayo abantu i-experience? Kuyini enincincayo abantu ilokhuzana ama opportunities? Ayinamaxoki man, ayisuka niyanyanyisa.
This is the real truth, guys. South Africa sekonakele konakele impela. Siyamaphiciphici eSouth Africa because bantu bafuna ku-exploiter bantu bokufika, basibona bama-hard worker, abadzingi experience ekubantwini bokufika, babaniketa amathuba, babafundzise emsebenzi. But when it comes to South Africans, sebadzinga experience, and ma-South Africa are always judged. While a lot of these illegal immigrants beta bengenayo experience, bayifundziswa ngiwo lamafame, i-experience bayithola kulamafame, but South Africans abaniketwa the same opportunities. But South Africans are the same people who are expected to support those businesses with the little that they have. And lokho buhlungu ukuthi these people laba operator lawo ma businesses or these illegal immigrants, imali yabo ayitaxwa, which imali yabo iya emaveni yabo, imali yabo iyosita ithuthukise emave abo, not i-South Africa. Kube ngabe sisupport abantu bethu, sibanikete imisebenzi, sibanikete amathuba so that umnotho wase-South Africa ukhule, cause imali yema-South Africa bayisebenzisa la bahlala khona, which is South Africa, and bayataxwa. Ngaleyo ndlela umnotho uyakhula. Sithanza singathanzi in South Africa siyawugcina sibasupportile abantu bethu, cause kancane ayasha amahlathi of people making excuses to hire South Africans while ba-exploiter labantu bokufika. Please tell me what you think on the comment section. Danko.